Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you need some quick cash, and do you have a phone? Here are 15 apps that can help you make money daily, and the best part is that all these side hustles are 100% free. On my way, get paid for not texting while driving. Earn $100 when you sign up and 5 cents for every mile you drive without texting. Receipt Jar, turn your receipts into cash by uploading pictures of them into the app. Surveys on the Go, earn $1 when you download the app, and then make money by taking surveys in your free time. Moomoo, earn free stocks by opening an account and making deposits on this popular investing app. Be My Eyes, complete short missions in stores near you and earn between $3 and $15 per mission. Game Hag, collect soul gems by playing games online and redeem them for money sent directly to your PayPal account. Sogo, improve your financial literacy and earn rewards in the form of gift cards and checking account deposits. Shopkick, get paid for walking into stores, scanning barcodes, and scanning receipts with this app. Free Stuff Finder, save up to 50% or more on everyday purchases with daily deals posted on this app. Unbabel, earn between $8 and $18 per hour correcting software translations on this app. Roadie, deliver items along your daily driving route and earn money for each delivery you make. Money App, complete tasks, take surveys, and do mystery shopping to earn reward credits that can be redeemed for cash. Pogo, link your cards and accounts to earn money automatically with this all-in-one app. GoShare, build your own delivery business and earn up to $222 per hour with your car or truck. PolePay, share your opinions through surveys and get paid via PayPal or with gift cards. You are amazing. Believe in yourself and remember that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Hopefully, these ideas inspire you to explore new online job opportunities. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.